Hey guys, my name is Balaji and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to Nairobi Safari Walk. So it's a bright sunny Sunday afternoon and I'm going to Nairobi National Park. The actual national park is huge and a bit expensive, and I'm not sure it's worth it for going just one day, half a day. So I'm going to a place called Safari Walk. It's supposed to be an elevated walkway, lots of things to see. So I just booked my Uber Boda and should be there in half an hour. So let's go take a look. So I'm here at the Safari Walk. I couldn't take video at the entrance because there was armed security everywhere. I mean, fully armed, not just people in uniform, fully armed, mask, helmet, automatic rifles, guns, extra ammunition. I don't know why they need that much security, but yeah, I didn't dare take video. So I'm inside. I got my tickets, 2,280 shillings for a non-resident. It's a bit expensive. I hope it's worth it. So yeah, let's carry on. Wow, it's a real giraffe. There. Sorry. That's very good. I'm scared. Yeah. Wow, that's a big rhino. Look at the horn. Must be very old, I think. Oh wow, he's coming closer. Wow, he's so much bigger up close. This guy keeps following me. There's a lion there.
Did you say they're 4 years old?
Lion eats everybody.
Good time. This looks nice. Wow, there's an ostrich over there. Wow, we are almost back at the starting point. I have to say that was shorter than I expected. For 2,280 shillings, which is what, 1,500 rupees. I sort of expected a bit more. It's nice, but I don't think I'll be coming back here again. I'm almost back at the starting. Just going to get some lunch and see if there's something else to do today. Okay, let me wrap this up.
That is a real crocodile.
Is that a real crocodile? Kind of doubt it. Looks like a corporate team building affair.
Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can. Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can. Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can. Concentration is the game, keep the rhythm if you can. Albert, Tony.
Right, I'm back where I started. I'm hungry, going to get some food and see what else is there at this park. Catch you guys later.